Okay, we will try and rerun RSS player. First, you need to uninstall. Go to Setting, choose App, look for RSS, click RSS, clear the cache, clear the data, and uninstall RSS player. Okay. Then go back to the home page. Now you select Play Store. Type RSS. Choose RSS video player. Choose RSS player. Choose to install. Click Accept. Wait for the RSS player file to be downloaded to your TV box. After that, it will auto install RSS player in your TV box. It's installing now. Right click, go back to the right click again, go back to the main page. Now go to the circle with the 6 dots, click, look out for RSS, left click, hold the mouse, take you back to the home page and drop RSS player anywhere. Okay, now we are going to put in the link to see the Hong Kong video, etc. Click RSS player, go to these 3 black horizontal bar, click channel, then go to the right top corner, click plus, that means add a channel, and there you are. You give it a name, optional, let's say drama, any name will do, and then click RSS link, and now you have to add in the address, which is IRSS is here. You have to click here because otherwise the spelling checker will override this IRSS. Click and then dot SE. So there's a space here, we need to close it up. Close up this space and then /drama. That is the link to the website. irss.se/DRAMAS drama. Click add and then we are done. Right click again, click OK, so get out, go in again, click RSS player, then you see the drama which is we added just now. Click drama, then you have all the links or the content of the Hong Kong drama, Korean drama, etc. So let's click on Hong Kong drama. The new shows are here, right? And let's click on the, Psycho Detective. It should load, then episode 1. Okay, try and choose as first priority Picasa Web 720. If it cannot run because the internet is too slow, come out and choose a lower version, Picasa Web 360. Okay, let's choose 720. Yeah, it will run. It's running now. Sometimes there are advertisements, so you right click the advertisement and the video will appear. Sometimes the video may not appear and the screen is blank. You right click, go back to Picasa web and click again, and then the video should run. Okay? If got any problem, just WhatsApp me, Jason. Thank you.